Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger video call blur. First, check your camera lens or dirty lens in the most common reason for blurry video. Use a soft cloth or your t-shirt to gently wipe the front camera. Avoid using water or trash cleaner. Blurry video often means a weak internet connection. Switch to strong Wi-Fi or move closer to your router. If you are using a mobile data, make sure you have a good signal bar. Slow internet lowers video quality automatically. Close the Messenger app completely, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, remove it, then reopen the app and try the video call again. Just refresh the app and fix small glitches. If the video is still blurry, reset or restart your iPhone. Hold the power button, slide to turn off, wait a few seconds, then turn your phone back on. This clears temporary system glitches. An outdated app can cause camera problem. For that, go to the App Store and update Messenger. Also check the software update. If any update is available, install the latest iOS version, and that's it. Try this simple step and your Messenger video call on iPhone should look clear and sharp again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.